everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Nikki and Mike. Today we're going to be making tempura.
Shrimp
Tempura.
tempura.
Okay, and also vegetable tempura too. You could pretty much use any vegetables you like. And any seafood you like as well. Like last time I made this, I went ahead and made lobster tempura. I also had some scallops that I also threw in the mix. But today we're just doing simply shrimp, and we have some green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and some broccoli and carrots. But like I said, you can use the vegetables or meat or seafood of your choice. Also, we're gonna be using a batter mix. Okay, so this is the tempura batter mix we're gonna be using today by Kinko Man. Yep. And also, I'm gonna be seasoning my vegetables a little bit and the seafood and stuff with the Maggie fish seasoning. I have some soy sauce and some Kinko Man sauce over there. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Han Tusu or whatever, but that's for the dipping sauce. Okay, after we're done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, and I'll be right back. Okay, and show you guys how to cut up the vegetables, how, you know, because I want them, mine's pretty big. Also, I can show you guys how to prep the shrimp. So be right back. All right, guys, so we're back, and I'm gonna show you guys how I go ahead and cut up my vegetables. Okay, so we can start. Well, I can show you this because I already did a carrot, but you know how to clean a carrot, guys, right? Just go ahead and take a potato peel or so, and you're gonna, you know, do that. All right, you're gonna go ahead and just.
I'm just gonna clean it.
Do the outside of it.
Clean it. The whole outside. We already have one that's already done here, so you know we're not gonna go through clean the whole carrot.
Right.
You got what I'm saying? So here we go.
All right. And so we're done with that. So I'm gonna put that to the side as well. All right. So when it comes down to cutting the carrot, all right, I like to do it a little diagonally. So I'm gonna go ahead. Let me set this over here. All right. So I'm gonna do it like this. You don't want it too thick at all, okay? So it's kind of like this. All right. It's not too thick, not too thin. Okay.
Show me how to do the bell pepper.
Okay. So speed it up a little bit, all right? I know how to do that. So I'll start with this one. I'm going to go ahead and take...
It's either red or green. A bell pepper's a bell pepper.
Yeah.
So I want you to show you how to, that's it.
You know what I mean? So then, yeah. So that's pretty much how you're going to get it off. And I'm going to go ahead and do my sizes like this.
Just squares,
You can do it like this. Yeah, a couple of pieces like this. Because I love bell peppers fried up. It's going to be delicious, all right?
You ever ate
big
bell
or small, however you want it. Like this is good. All right? And with the broccoli, so we could just move along. With the broccoli, we're going to take the stem, the big stalk off. We're going to try to just keep the florets. All right, like that, and that pretty much fall apart. Okay.
That's the florets?
Yeah.
See, I learned something, guys. I learned something I didn't know. So maybe some of you guys don't know. This is a floret. I had no idea.
So you want to go ahead and keep it like that.
Now I know.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up my vegetables. When we come back, I'll show you how to prepare the shrimp, okay? All right.
Alright guys, what you want to do is take your shrimp. Get you some decent sized shrimp, guys, to work with, okay? Shrimp tempura, you know? It's like so, right? You want to leave this portion right here of the shrimp on, okay? I guess it's just for presentation. It's how Nikki say do it. So that's how I'm going to do it, okay? So what I'm going to do is just take and peel the shrimp, the shell off of it. Just like that. Boom. Like I said, leave this part of the shell on so you get a nice shrimp tempura here. And you want to devein these shrimp, guys. You want to clean them out. You don't want to you know, have dirty shrimp for this. So you put a toothpick here. You can see that. And you push through. And you see right here. I'm take and just pull it out. Just like that. See? Just like that. And your shrimp, nice and clean, nice and easy. And that's what you want to do to all your shrimp. It's a very tedious meal, but man, it's going to be worth it at the end. You just follow these simple steps, and we'll get right to it. Alright guys, you see the vegetables. Almost done this time. I'm going to continue prepping the shrimp. You want to take your shrimp right here, guys. Like I say, you got a piece from the back. You want to just take one of your shrimp. Your main thing is that after you clean it, you want to get a napkin. I guess a napkin. And you want to take it and you really want to dry this off. You want to dry it off, guys. Try to get all the moisture. Some people take and they like to cut the tail. We're not going to do all that, okay? You're going to take and just pat it dry. Alright? You want to take your knife at that point and you want to do a slice here, one. I like to do 3. A second slice. And a little slice right here. And like I said, just a little slice. You see? Little slice. And then what this is going to do, is you're going to take it, dry it off. Okay? And that's it, guys. So, after you do this, you want to keep going and going and going. And so pretty much this is already prepped here. So you want to look like this. Just like that, guys. We're almost there. Almost there, guys. Shrimp tempura. Alright.
Okay, guys, look. So we done with the vegetables, and I believe Mike showed y'all how to make these, how to do the shrimp, okay? Alright, so look, now I have a bag here. Now the tempura batter, you know, this is what I found over time making this. I like it, you know, the tempura batter is fine on its own. It's great. But I like to use like a little bit of like a base, something for the tempura, because the batter is going to be wet, of course, it's batter, right? So when you dip it, it'll have some kind of adhesive. Almost it holds on to the vegetables and into the seafood as well, and it creates more of a crunch. And here's about a cup of flour, and I'm gonna just go ahead and pour me some cornstarch in here. All right, just pour how much you want, you know, just pour some in there. All right, then we're gonna shake that around. You know me, and I like season, so you could do you know, you don't have to use any. But that's where this is going to come into handy. I mean. And this is whatever seasonings you like. This is Sazon Caliente. It's a little spicy. I love it. And I'm going to put some of this Maggi fish seasoning in there as well. It's great. It's good. Okay. So I'm going to just put that inside of the flour and the cornstarch mixture. Okay. Pour as much as you want. Okay. I'm probably going to sprinkle some also on the vegetables. Alright, put that in there. This don't have any, it's just good. It's good. You could, you know, use any seasoning you like. They have a vegetable one that Maggie makes too. Ooh, that stuff is spicy. And it's getting to my nose. Alright, let's pour some in there. Whew. Alright. Like I said, you can just sprinkle some on here too. Alright. Alright. Okay, you can sprinkle a little on your, excuse me. Oh man, excuse me guys. I'll be right there. What's that? Sazon caliente. All right. You can sprinkle some of this. Just a little, you know. Sprinkle that on there. It might not stick all the way on it anyway because of the... Be careful with this one. Alright. Alright, we're going to set that aside. Now, you're going to do this according to the packaging. Alright. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to sit this on ice because it needs to stay cold. And if you can't find this in your local supermarkets or maybe, you know, in a, because I found this in a, it was in a, what do you call it? What's that area in the supermarket? International, right? Or if you have like a fruit stand or something like that, some of them guys have these. Or if you're not, I'll probably leave in the description box a recipe that you can get this, you know, that you can make on your own.
You probably can find it online.
Oh, definitely Amazon, yeah.
It's something that you really like, you know, just Google Tempura batter mix, and I'm sure you can find it online. Like I said, you can make it yourself if you want to see a recipe of, like, you know, Nikki making it. I'm throwing it out there. I guess you will make it. You gotta just let her know in the comments below.
They say you can even fry chicken in there with this.
Yeah, I see you can get it online and.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this, and then I'll be right back, and then we're gonna start frying up as well. Then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the oil, you know, and stuff that I'm using. I'm just using straight canola oil, plain old canola oil. Okay, nothing major. And we're gonna deep fry these bad boys. I can't wait. All right. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. I have some shrimp already over here. That I'm going to now, I took and shook them in the flour. You'll see that. And then now I'm just going to dip it in here. And we're going to drop it in the oil. You can come on this side of me, please. The shrimp is about to break, but it's fine. Ooh. Don't be mad, grease. That's why you pretty much want your shrimp to be dry. You can take and do this. I'm trying to make some designs on your stuff. Make it look like the restaurant do. Let's see how it come out. If you're a fan of onions, put some onions in there, some asparagus. You can pretty much put anything with this batter. It's so good, y'all. I'm telling you. Gotta try it. Delicious. And carrots. so we can kind of let this fry up. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, the shrimp is done. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take those bad boys out. I'm going to give the vegetables a little while longer. I'm going to go ahead and bread up a couple of more shrimp.
We're back. Here go the end result. Made our shrimp tempura with vegetables. Here you go, guys, in the dipping sauce. Let's just have a quick taste. Right here in the sauce. Oh, yeah. It's good. So,
Try the inside, make sure.
Nice. Shrimp, crispy. It's so good, guys. So good.
Must try.
It's a must try.
Here's the sauce if they want to eat it.
And we just brought some sauce here. Nothing crazy, out of the international section in the supermarket. That's the name of it. So guys, thanks for viewing our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just give us a like, guys. I want to thank everyone who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe to our channel. We'll have more videos to come.
Thanks, guys, for watching. See you next time.
Next time.